The Crypto Markets Update is brought to you by KuCoin, the best place to find the next crypto gem.
Cooler than expected inflation numbers is rallying Bitcoin. Joining us now to discuss the markets is Defiance ETFs CEO, CIO, and co-founder Sylvia Jablonski. Welcome, Sylvia.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Good morning. So we have, of course, CPI data came out. It was better than expected as far as inflation, still relatively high. What is that going to affect with the Fed's meeting today and tomorrow? Do you think that that's in any way going to change expectations about how the Fed is going to raise rates?
You know, I don't think it's going to really change what the Fed is going to do. I think whether the number was good or whether the number was bad, the Fed is probably going to do about 50 bips. That's sort of that's what the market's pricing in, but that's also what Fed Chair Powell had alluded to. We had that hotter jobs number, which is his focal point and still remains an issue. So I think that'll lead to higher for longer and potentially more hikes. But this number today is certainly something that's positive for the market. I actually think that this was sort of the Hail Mary for that year-end rally shot that we've been waiting for. Seasonality is usually on our side this time of year. December is always a great sort of Santa Claus rally into the end of the year. And we're just not getting that because of recession fears and fears of Fed and their hawkishness and whatnot. But I do think that this read today gives us that impetus to kind of go strong into the end of the year. And then I think we'll probably stable out. And I do think a lot of this stuff is sort of priced into the market now. So I'm at the point now where I believe that it's possible to become a little more bullish and think about value creation happening here and starting to buy for the long term. I don't think next year is going to be stellar, but I think it's probably going to be flat to sort of okay. But for the longer term, you'll benefit at buying here at these levels.